What if I told you that a single letter, just one page, was enough to shake American media, social platforms, and political debates overnight? A letter allegedly signed by J. Epstein, a letter mentioning power secrets and the President of the United States, and a letter that many believed was written after Epstein was already dead. So the question is simple. Was the hidden confusion or carefully planted lie? Tonight we break down the real story behind the Epstein letter step by step and without rumors. Who was Jeffrey Epstein? Jeffrey Epstein was not a politician, he was a celebrity, yet he had access to the most powerful people on earth, billionaires, royal figures, politicians, and global elites. In 2019, Epstein was arrested on fraud charges related to sex trafficking just weeks after he was dead inside New York jail. Officially, he was ruled a side, but public trusted that never record. Since then, every document, every photo, every letter connect to Epstein was being treated like a potential bombshell. Part second, the document boom. In late 2024 and 2025, US courts released its thousands of pages of Epstein related files. These documents were not new evidence, they were raw, unfiled records, emails, notes, contacts, unfiled letters, and burned among them. A letter addressed to Larry Nasser, signed simply J. Epstein, written or screenshots went viral. Part 3. What did the letter claim? The letter appeared to suggest a sad understanding between Epstein and Nasser, reference to powerful protection, a distributing mention of our president. Many readers immediately assumed the letter was pointing toward Donald Trump, who was president then accepting dead. Social media exploded. Headline followed. Speculation turned into accusations without verification, but then flared automatic stepped in. Part 4. Dodge FBI investigation. The US Department of Justice and FBI analyzed the letter. Their findings were critically the handwriting did not match acceptance now writing. Second, returns address was incorrect. Third, post the postcard that was often assistant's death. That single details change everything. If assistants die in August 2019, how could he mail a letter days later? The Doge conclusion was clear. The letter is not authentic. It is officially considered a forensic. Part 5. Why was the letter released at all? This raises another questions. Why would a fake letter appear in official files? The answer is important. Courts document release often include unwired matters includes does not mean confirmations. The Dodge publicly warned these documents may contain false, misleading or fabricated items. In other words, raw data not proof facts. Part 6. Did it immediately any president? Let's be very clear. The Doge states there is no evidence connecting Donald Trump, no charges, no criminal implication. The letter alone, especially a fake one, proves nothing. This case shows how dangerous particle information can be in the age of viral media. Part 7, Media Virality Misinformation. This story is not just about acceptance, this is about how unverified documents go viral, algorithm rewrite, reword shock, truth arrives slower than headlines. One fake letter created global controversy in less than 24 hours. The Epstein's letter was shocking, but the truth is even more important. It was not real, it was not written by Epstein, and it should remind us all in modern news verification matters more than virality. Stay informed, stay remind, and always questions what you see online. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.